been fantastic. Nancy is a wonderful teacher, very natural in the way she connects with everybody in the room.
The workshop was great. My favorite part was singing harmony and learning new songs and singing together with a group and being brave enough to sing on my own a little bit.
The thing I liked the most was the fact that there is no judgment, and it's just everyone has a voice and every voice is worth listening to.
It really lowers the tension and it lets the music come out of you because it's all in us, but she has a way of getting it out of us, and it's really a great experience.
I like my speaking voice because I do a lot of public speaking. I teach a lot, but I'm not comfortable at all with my singing voice. So I found a few times there, especially near the end, that I was getting, it's not so bad. I kind of like that guy. I kind of like the guy that I heard singing. So you can save a lot of money on therapy just by doing these things. So sign up.
The scariest thing for me was singing in front of a group, and I felt nothing like that. All my barriers were broken. My mother was an opera singer, but she said, don't sing, play the piano. She discouraged me, and I always wanted to sing.
So you sang today?
Such a great experience this time. I really felt like I was able to understand how my voice worked and be able to sort of go up to a higher note and then return to that drone note. I didn't know I had that ability.
I used to sing a lot as a little kid, and then in 8th grade a friend just turned to me one day and just as we were singing along to something, he said, "Don't sing." And I literally never sang ever again, not in the shower, not ever, not in the car, not ever, ever again.
It's been the most amazing thing. I knew nothing about singing before starting this workshop. Like, I was just singing in the shower, but like, this is the first time I actually took a lesson where like we're able to like really focus on notes and all these things that I need to work on and how to do things in a certain way. And so I'm learning how to project my voice a certain way, how to sing songs.
I've done the workshop once before. I was a lot more confident this time. I think doing it a second time made a big difference.
Especially the second time coming around, it feels like the personal commitment in the singing, it just gets more and more fun each time.
Yeah, and I'm a baby boomer. I'm like 69 years old, gonna be 70 in about 2 months. So all your baby boomers who have a bucket list, you might want to consider this for your bucket list.
And I had a great time because I came with my partner, Catherine, and she sings a bit at home and I play guitar, but I don't sing. So now I'm looking forward to, I think we can both sing some songs together when we get home.
5 workshops ago, I'm a veteran. Initially I would just hide my voice in, and now I'm getting the courage to pick it up and to enter the room.
And this is different voices from what we had the first time we did it. And I felt that, with the different mixing with the male voice, that, we just all came together really beautifully.
I love the idea of being able to now sing with the guitar playing that I've done for many years. And it really connects it and makes it a much richer experience for me. So I'm getting so much out of this.
So I think singing, and I think this class in general is probably really great if you're a couple, because if you have a partner you can sing with, it's something you can do at home.
You know how you feel like people have your back, but here people have your front?
Especially in those times where we might get into an argument, why not break into a song?
And in a really supportive environment, which is really important, so your fear of singing kind of dies because you have people supporting you and cheering you on during the whole time.
You should have done the dishes.
Why are you always leaving dishes in the sink?
It's not my fault.
The energy that I feel when I'm on pitch with the group is like an out-of-body experience, because we all sound like, I feel like we sound like a group that can like perform at Madison Square Garden. Like, we sound so good together. We're all on the same note, we're all on the same point, and we all just sound like a community of singers, and it's really like an electrifying experience.
It also sounds so magical when all of a sudden we make a note that feels harmonious and feels wide and ample. I just can't believe I'm participating in that. It's been super fun, and I'm so grateful.
For me, it was not much fear, but more discovery. So discovering myself, discovering how it feels to sing with other people, see my voice in relation to other people, see a professional singing next to me and correcting and giving advice and just making it fun.
I feel like if I'm overcoming this, there are a lot of things I can imagine myself doing. Imagining myself in having a fuller life because of this.